Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 1000w ebike kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your bicycle, seamlessly blending the thrill of cycling with the power-assisted ease of an electric motor. This video will dive deep into what makes a 1000w kit stand out, helping you navigate the world of electric bike conversions and choose the perfect kit to electrify your rides. Number 5. Fat Tire Ebike Kit. It boasts a 48V 1000w brushless hub motor, providing efficient and powerful performance. This easily converts your bike to an e-bike, reaching speeds up to 45 km/h. It features a dual-mode controller that works with or without the Hall effect sensor. This ensures continued operation even if a component fails. The Pedal Assist System, PAS, senses your pedaling and provides assistance, making for comfortable rides, especially on longer journeys. This reduces wrist strain and fatigue. Its aluminum alloy frame is durable and stable, supporting up to 220 pounds. The chainless drive system reduces friction for a smoother ride. Integrated brake levers cut power when braking for enhanced safety. It's CE certified and battery powered for environmental friendliness. What we like. This kit boasts a dual-mode controller for extended motor life and a powerful motor for reaching top speeds. If you need a reliable, long-lasting kit that's great for long commutes, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a comfortable ride and value durability. What people say. Excellent motor kit for the price. I needed to replace the hub motor on my electric scooter and this did a great job. It's very well built. Only complaint is there is almost no low-end torque, so I modded the shunt on the controller to compensate. Also replaced the main power leads with 8GA wire. I'm running it off 16 LiFePO 4 cells at 26 Ah. I ran it for 6 miles. Wide open throttle pulls 40 amps. Peak full speed stabilizes at 25 to 30 amp and only drains 7.5 Ah. Top speed was 29 miles per hour. I installed this on an Ehora X7 e-bike. The bike was working pretty good, but was lacking enough power to pull up steep hills. I bought this kit to put on the front wheel. The motor is powerful and amazing. With both motors I can go up any hill with just electric power only. I've gone 25 miles on a charge on steep dirt trails. Added this motor kit on a Waka H6ST for help on hills. I must say that it does great in tandem with the stock rear hub motor. I switched the controller to one that can accept a display. The original controller is 30 amps but is pretty big, so you will need ample room to mount it. With my 30 amp controller and a 52V 20Ah battery it can achieve 32 miles per hour. I am 265 pounds, so if you are lighter it may go faster. Torque from a dead stop isn't much, but it flies with the reed hub motor working in tandem. Hills are not a problem now. Number 4. AW1000w ebike conversion kit. It features a 48V 1000w brushless motor for a smooth, quiet ride. This easily converts your bike to an e-bike, reaching speeds up to 45 km/h, perfect for commutes and short trips. Its aluminum alloy frame is durable and stable, supporting up to 220 pounds. The chainless drive system is anti-friction, and the thumb throttle has battery indicators to prevent unexpected shutdowns. It fits 26 bicycle frames with 3 15/16 front dropout spacing. It's compatible with disc and V-brakes, offering flexibility for your bike setup. This kit includes everything you need for easy installation. You can assemble it yourself or get help from a bike shop. Hand brakes automatically shut off the motor, saving energy and preventing overheating. It's CE certified and battery powered for environmental friendliness. What we like. It features a powerful motor for quick acceleration and easy assembly for a hassle-free conversion. If you're looking for a simple and efficient upgrade to your bike, this kit is a great choice. Its thumb throttle and battery indicator make it ideal for those who prioritize convenience and ease of use. What people say. I purchased this kit in August 2021, and I must say it was so easy to install I felt like I missed something. I even installed 2 torque levers just to make sure I wouldn't have any problems with rounding out the forks, and I gotta say it has been great. Although not totally quiet, its whine isn't too bad unless you have a rickety bike that loves to rattle. I just passed 1,500 miles and the biggest issue I have is no cruise control. My thumb cramps up. This kit is pretty bare bones, doesn't have pedal sensing, regenerate braking, an LCD display or even a torque arm. But is very easy to install and quite powerful. I weigh 250 pounds and my current disc brakes are rubbing and it still hit 34 miles per hour. I'm waiting on new brakes and will update my top speed when I can. I bought this kit along with a 48V13 Malipo battery frame mount and found a beat-up old Trek that had a great frame and was pretty light. I cleaned up the bike and had this kit installed in about 2 hours. If you have some basic mechanical skills, this kit is super easy and you really don't even need the instructions. Everything is pretty much plug and play. Besides wiring up new connectors for battery. Note that as of now I didn't bother using the motor cutoff brake handles. The minute you let off throttle it shuts down fine. On my first power-up everything worked as expected and this bike really gets moving with motor alone. I'm 200 pounds and would say easy 25 to 28 miles per hour flat and even pulled me up a steep hill at a good clip with motor only. Number 3. AW1000W ebike conversion kit. It's a 1000W brushless motor, providing smooth and quiet operation. Reach speeds up to 45 km/h, perfect for commutes and short trips. This kit easily converts your bike into an e-bike. The intelligent dual-mode controller works in haul and non-haul modes. This extends its lifespan, and even if parts fail, it can still function. Enjoy comfortable rides with the PAS. It senses your pedaling and assists accordingly, reducing wrist strain and fatigue on longer journeys. Stay informed with the LCD display. It shows PAS level, battery voltage, mileage, and more, keeping you updated on your ride. Safe brake levers cut power instantly. It's built to last with a strong aluminum alloy frame, supporting up to 220 pounds. The gearless and chainless design minimizes friction for efficient operation. It has CE certification, ensuring safety and quality. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it meets high standards. What we like. This kit offers an informative LCD display for real-time ride monitoring and a powerful motor for a smooth ride. If you value detailed information and a comfortable ride, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who prefer a more technologically advanced and user-friendly experience. What people say. The spokes are very thick and the rim is double-walled so the wheel is very strong. I have been riding it for 2 months and have rode 200 plus miles. It comes with everything necessary, including new shifters and brake levers. The assembled results are awesome. On flat ground this hub motor takes off smoothly and quickly gets me up to 25 miles per hour without even pedaling. Product came quickly and seems well made. Meets all expectations. Came with solid lock nuts for rear wheel which is a must with the torque it puts out. Top speed 45 km/h with 48V13A battery purchased separately. Range is easily 60 km with minor pedaling at just under 30 km an hour. Plug and play worked first shot. Number 2. Voilamart 48V1000W ebike kit. This kit boasts a powerful 1000W brushless hub motor, providing efficient and quiet operation. Reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour, 45 km/h with ease. It's CE and EN 15194 approved for safety and quality. The brake levers have a motor power cutoff function to prevent overheating and save energy. The LCD monitor displays all your riding information, including speed, battery level, and PAS level. The twist throttle makes speed control simple and fast. It's road legal, restricted to 750W and 24 miles per hour, 38 km/h, by default. For off-road use, unlock the full 1000W power for speeds up to 28 miles per hour, 45 km/h. Enjoy 3 riding modes: throttle, pedal assist, and manual. The pedal assist system reduces fatigue, making long trips more comfortable. It comes with detailed assembly instructions and videos. Our 7/24 customer service is ready to help you through the process. What we like. This kit includes a user-friendly LCD display, showing key riding data, and a powerful motor for efficient performance. If you prioritize convenience and a smooth, informative ride, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a balance of power and ease of use. What people say. Turned my wife's trike into a really fun little bike. It was very easy to install and I don't think I ever looked at the instructions other than to figure out the pedal assist crank install. It took me about an hour start to finish. Kit seems very nice quality, better than some I have seen. It looks like a factory e-trike now. Used a 48V20Ah battery and it rips. It's got torque. The unit is better than the last unit from a different manufacturer. This one has a larger motor, has a pedal assist if you want to use it, and has an LCD unit for speed, battery, and miles traveled. Much more than the other unit I bought from Walmart a couple of years ago. It is a strong motor that will last me many years, I hope. Easy to install and more than enough power to overtake most other e-bikes you see. Number 1. Bafang 1000w Mid-Drive Kit. Transform your bike into a powerful e-bike with this Bafang kit. It's perfect for tackling any terrain. Experience incredible power and torque with its 1000w motor. It easily handles hills and challenging rides. This kit is compatible with both the popular BBS HD and BBS 03 mid-drive motors. Choose the one that best suits your needs. The 48V system provides a longer riding range, allowing you to explore further on a single charge. Note that battery is sold separately. It's designed for easy installation on 500c mountain and road bikes. You'll be riding in no time. Get ready to experience the thrill of electric biking. Order your Bafang kit now. What we like. This kit offers a powerful motor and a clear display for monitoring your ride. If you are looking for a powerful and reliable mid-drive kit with a display, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a robust and high-performance upgrade. What people say. Top speed 41 miles per hour, outstanding, and yes, 41 miles per hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.